Right now I'm going to show you how to crochet into the third loop. If you're following along with my Calm Waves Beer Koozie pattern, this is going to be round 4 where we're going to start double crocheting. I already have 3 rounds of single crochet here. This method is really useful for making the bottoms of things such as koozies or baskets. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by chaining 2. This is not going to count as our first double crochet. We're going to yarn over, and instead of going into this V right here, we're going to look to the back. Okay, so here's the V. We're going to look to the back and we're going to find this loop here. You can see it running along the back of all of these, and that's where we're going to insert our hook. On the first stitch it can be a little tight, so I'm going to use my thumb to kind of get it going here. Yarn over, then through 2 and through 2. And you can see how this makes the stitch go kind of behind where it normally would. Let's do that again. Yarn over. Instead of going into the stitch right here, we're going to go into this third loop in the back. And double crochet. I'm going to do a couple more so that you can see what our product is going to look like. To that back. Sorry, my single crochets were tight from that last round. Yarn over. Go to the third loop. Double crochet.